Okay guys, I'm going to walk you through how to do the interactive notebooks because a few of you have emailed me and asked some questions. So whenever you pull up your Google Classroom to the homepage, go up and click on classwork, and your Unit 6 genetics, all your assignments are going to be posted right underneath here. So click on that. And you're gonna go to where the genetics notebook is. A few of you have already turned it in because you guys are awesome. 60 of you still need to get this done. It is due April the 3rd. That's this Friday. So click on the genetics interactive notebook and it should take you to a new page of Google Slides. If you're doing this on your cell phone, you probably should download the Google Slides app. That will make your life easier. So whenever you pull it up, this is your home page, your digital genetics notebook. And hopefully this isn't too hard. Since I'm not there to teach you, I am planning on narrating your PowerPoints sometime today and posting those also. So on your interactive notebook, you have these text boxes where you should be able to click and enter your name. So whatever I have written on there, erase that and type in your answers. Over here on the right side, these are tabs that you can click on and it should pop up a link to take you to whatever page that topic is on. So if this is your very first page, your intro to genetics, all about Gregor Mendel and your alleles, genotypes, and phenotypes. And then right after this page, we have our first practice page. So all your directions are on the practice page. Make sure you read the directions. So on this first one, you have your 3 different genotypes you could have and all these different options down here. You're going to drag and drop the genotype into the correct box, whatever it is. Then on your next part down here, you have some situations about different genotypes and phenotypes where you're going to have to click and type in your answer. And there I just gave you another answer. I already answered one for you. So that's all you're doing on these interactive notebooks. Make sure you erase whatever I put and then type your answer into the box. Now on some of these, like on your Punnett squares, the letters may not line up with the boxes. You can move these if you're doing it on your computer. I'm not sure about on your phone. But if your answer doesn't end up in the right spot, that's okay. I know where it is. So interactive notebooks. And next week I will post one on Punnett squares. And again, later today I'm going to post me doing a PowerPoint talking, trying to explain to you guys. I'm going to do some more practice problems with the Punnett squares and especially these big 16 box Punnett squares. I know if you notice on this one, I got most of this first one done for you. You're just filling in the boxes right here. And again, if your letters get off, that's okay. I'll be able to read it and tell what your answer is supposed to be. Make sure you read the directions on the practice pages, and they all say practice somewhere up at the top, so you know that's what this is. These are the pages you have to type on. I also have these little sticky notes telling you to erase the words in the text boxes. That's how you can figure out which ones are your practice pages. Drag and drops, you get a few of those. Most of them you have to type your answers. All the answers to the practice problems should be found on that page of notes before it. So all your stuff about sex-linked genes, XX and XY are all on this page. And here are your practice pages for that topic right after them. Then your very last pages are your vocabulary words. No pictures. Yay. So all you gotta do is click on your text box, erase it and type in whatever your answer is. Now, a lot of you should have most of these words already defined. We did this before y'all got out for spring break, forever ago. So you can use that paper if you haven't lost it with all these answers already done, or you can use your note pages over here. So here's genetics, heredity, gene, alleles. I tried to bold and capitalize all your vocabulary words. Dominant and recessive, homo, hetero, right here. So you should be able to find those easily. Or you can use the Google. You are using your computer. I'm not there with you when you're doing this. So if you're Googling every single answer on here, guys, I'm not going to know what you're doing. So you do what you need to do to figure this out. I'm going to post example problems later today, and hopefully we will be back in school soon so I can see all of your faces because I missed you guys. So good.